Hassan was taken back into cartel protection in Las Almas. Mexican Special Forces confirmed Hassan is moving something sizable towards the US. The cargo could be containers housing missiles. We don't know how many, and we don't know the targets.
To find out, we need to capture Hassan and bring him in for interrogation. We'll send Soap and Ghost to link up with the Mexican Special Forces in country, along with all the manpower they need.
We can't start a war in Mexico, General.
Certainly not. I'll task Philip Graves and his shadow company, PMCs, to assist. Their rules of engagement can help us cut some red tape and get this done.
Understood, sir. Let's find Hassan.
Alejandro!
Sergeant McTavish!
Call me Soap.
Lieutenant! Last one says they call you Ghost.
Actually, I believe he prefers to
That'll do! Welcome to the City of Souls.
I've never been to Mexico.
This is in Mexico. Las Almas.
Shepard's contractors are inbound to reinforce. They're bringing hardware. They'll need room.
My base is your base.
Good. Now where's Hassan?
Cartel safe house, 10 clicks from here. Get in. Vamos, muévense!
Está bien, están autorizados.
This is my second in command, Sergeant Major Rodolfo Parra.
Le tengo miedo a los fantasmas.
You know Spanish?
No.
You will.
White truck, 4 under the back.
Oye, hey, tranquilo. Easy. It's normal here. Guns on the street is jurisdiction of the police.
Where are the police?
Well, Las Almas has a very serious problem. There are few here to uphold the law, and many of those who resist corruption disappear.
What about the military?
Well, because we're well trained, soldiers are recruited by the narcos.
Why not you?
We grew up here. We call us los vaqueros, cowboys. We love this place, and we will die fighting for it.
Kids, guns, and balloons. It's a new one.
Narcos use generosity to win over the people.
Even the children.
Especially the children.
What's on those sheets?
Narcomantas.
Cartel cloths.
Messages from El Sin Nombre. Warnings marking territory. Our streets are laced with death.
Who's Sin Nombre?
El Sin Nombre. The nameless. The leader of the Las Almas cartel.
Where can we find him?
You can't. No one knows who he is. But he is everywhere. And this is a challenge. Los vaqueros like challenges.
With your mask, you will fit in well here, Ghost.
Oye, cálmala. Checkpoint is the army. Turn right, we'll go around.
Why?
Some troops are in the pocket of El Sin Nombre. Like I told you, he is everywhere. Cartel is hiding Hassan in the village across the river. Let's hope he's still there.
Team leaders, circle up on me. Copiado, carnal. Weapons out, vaqueros.
Muévanse. Where are they holding Hassan?
White two-story building back of town. Todos los Víctors estén listos. 3, 2, 1. ¡Entra, entra! Despejado, avanza.
Civilians.
Gone. Cartel took over. It's a hideout now.
Good place to keep Hassan.
Move. ¡Contacto! ¡Todos los Víctors, avancen!
¿Dónde está el movimiento?
Down. Push up.
Preparados. Estamos. Perdimos un arma.
I got him.
¡Tenemos hombres!
Clear.
Secure this house, then we go for Hassan.
Cartel moving fast.
Then we move faster. Heads up. They're ready. Take the door.
¡Muere, hijo de la chingada!
Doorway, right side. Hassan could be anywhere.
We're clear.
Good shots, hermano.
No sign of Hassan.
Not yet. Keep clearing, Sergeant.
Clear. What happened to the families here?
The cartel brings violence, so they leave. Get ready to move. Stand by. Víctor 2, este es 1-1. Despliega humo. Estamos mudando al exterior.
Copiado. Lanzando granada de humo.
Where's your family, Alejandro?
I keep that a secret, hermano. Protect them.
We have concealment.
Let's move. On me, Soap. This is where they were hiding Hassan. Expect resistance. Todos los equipos listos para contención. Preparen para abrir brecha.
Avanza, avanza. Despejado. No, Hassan. Second deck. Sí, vamos. Let's move upstairs and get Hassan. Holding at the stairs.
If Hassan's here, he's in this room.
Secure the room. I'll cover. We got Hassan cornered. Get in there.
Clear, no Hassan.
Todos los Víctors. El edificio blanco está seguro. Negativo con Hassan.
Entendido.
They must have moved them.
When?
Recently.
Quds Force, that's his flag.
He was here.
Alejandro's intel was good.
Comandante, el ejército está aquí.
A la verga.
What is it?
The army.
We got reinforcements.
Negative. 03, retrocedan ya.
Entendido.
What are we doing?
Cover my men. Once I'm there, fall back.
You want us to engage the fucking Mexican army?
No, Colonel. These troops are paid by the cartel. They're helping the cartel protect Hassan. Hold your fire. We'll dig in until my men are clear.
Multiple vehicles, troop transports, light armor.
Hold fire. Let them get close. Weapons free! They're armored!
They're using shields!
Use grenades!
Target spotted!
Todo despejado, comandante.
Hey, my men are clear!
We need to move!
Fall back this way!
Army's right behind us!
Copiado. Avanzando.
Down the hill! We'll lose them in the mountains! Fan out and stay close!
La antigua ruta.
Straight to the bridge!
Army's on us!
Rodriguez! Cover! Cover!
Get to cover and return fire.
¿Dónde te dieron, carnal?
Tío en el chaleco. Estoy bien. Down!
Engaging!
Are we clear?
For now, we gotta move. Go!
You know these trails?
Very well. But so does the army.
We can't hold off an army. We need extraction.
Rodriguez, pide la extracción.
Sí, comandante.
Contact! All guns, hold here. Take cover.
Sí, coronel.
Ghost, stop! Get behind the rock. Press my fire and advance. Light him up! Rodriguez, get down.
¡Control! ¡Víctor 1! ¡De las almas! ¡Me copian!
Clear.
¡Control! ¡Me escuchan!
For now, there'll be more. Vamos. ¿Alguna noticia de Rodolfo?
No, perdimos comunicación.
Puta. Let's keep it moving. Through here. The mountain's blocking comms.
So.
What's the plan?
There's a bridge in the river. Extraction will be there.
And if it isn't,
Que Dios los ampare.
Army on the ridge line!
Slide them.
Anyone hit?
negative.
Good to go.
Copy. On me.
We'll have to jump here.
Can we make that?
Hasta la muerte, hermano.
Pichicarones aren't far behind.
Where to, Alejandro?
So, push forward. Rodriguez, keep working the radio. Rest of you watch for snipers. Use that ledge. There will be a way up the mountain.
Got anything?
They're out there, believe me.
Control, habla Víctor 1. ¿Me escuchan?
You'll have to jump down, Soap.
Víctor 1, a control. ¿Me escuchan?
Grab that ledge above you, hermano.
Rodriguez, ¿alguna señal de radio?
Negativo.
We need to get to the river.
Found it.
Escucha. You hear that?
Incoming heli.
See, get to a firing position. We'll take them by surprise.
Which way to the bridge?
Straight ahead, past the hilo. They'll try to cut us off.
We'll have to go through them. Almost out!
I have ammo here. Weapons free.
Enemy reinforced. clear. Clear.
Up the hill. The bridge is in fire.
Enemy position shooters out here. Watch your backs.
Top of the hill, Sergeant. We're moving. There's the bridge.
No visual on extraction.
Comms didn't get through. Hijo de puta.
We'll radio when we're down there. This way. Jump down, Sergeant.
Watch your footing here.
Estos acantilados son peligrosos.
You know your way. We used to cut school and play here.
Until the cartels moved in.
Exactly. The narcos changed everything.
Sniper, move!
Sniper's down! Bloody good shot, mate.
Army's still trailing us.
We'll gain some ground. Move, Sergeant!
Soap, we're sitting ducks here!
Army's still trailing us.
We'll gain some ground. Move, Sergeant! You led us to a dead end, mate! We jump from here! Don't lose a weapon! Your turn, Sergeant!
You good, hermanos? Affirm. Soap?
Breathing.
Move down river to the bridge. Use the rocks for cover. All stations, this is Victor 01. How copy?
No one. Do you say again? You really?
Radio's picking up something.
Sounds American. Use the rocks for cover. Keep pushing upriver. Move upriver. Go. The river's slowing us down, mate. Get shallow up ahead. Swim up. Keep moving. Vehicles on the bridge. They're not ours. Fuck! It's the army. Get to cover. Got to hold here and get extraction.
Can't do shit against that armor.
This
is Shadow 1. Engaging the bridge north of your position. Danger close.
Well, how's that? Commander Graves, Shadow Company. They're with us! Shadow 1, Bravo 07. Two shots. Follow through.
No enemy movement detected. You're clear. It's good to see you boys.
Likewise, mate.
This way.
Graves, we've located a vehicle for exfil.
Roger that. Be advised, we got a possible hit on Hassan. 2 clicks north of your position.
That's Cartel land. They have a compound there.
Load in. Shadow 1, stand by.
Let's roll. I'll drive.
You boys good to roll up Hassan with some fire from the sky?
Let's wrap this fucker up, Graves.
Solid copy. We are pushing to the target directly. Shadow 1 out.